Size: small, medium, large. Toppings: cheese, pepperoni, pineapple, mushroom, sausage. Drinks: soda, water, juice. Order: I'll have the. May I have the. Take home: dine in, take out, eat here. Pay, pay.
Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Post your answers in the comments.
Welcome in. How are you today? What size pizza would you like? What toppings would you like? For here or to go? Your payment comes to $15.99. Will that be cash or card? Enjoy your pizza and have a nice day.